Hello, grade 6! Happy New Year! I know you are waiting for our new lesson. Am I right? Okay. It's a brand new day, brand new year, but still, math time is fun time. Last time, we discussed about rational numbers and the coordinate plane. For today, we will still be having our coordinate plane because we will be discussing ordered pair relationships. The four regions of the coordinate plane that are separated by the x and y axis are called quadrants. Each quadrant are numbered with the Roman numerals 1, 2, 3, and 4. So as you can see, I started from the upper right quadrant going counterclockwise. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. If you know the signs of the coordinates of the point, then it will be easier for you to determine on which quadrant each point is located. So, on the first quadrant, the x-axis is positive and the y-axis is positive also. From the origin going to the right, that is positive. And from the origin going up, that's positive also, right? So, x and y are both positive. Now, how about the second quadrant? How will you describe the sign of x? Is it positive or negative? That's correct. It's negative. How about y? Is it positive or negative? Remember, quadrant 2 is on this region. So, is it positive or negative? That's correct. It's positive. How about quadrant 3? How will you describe the x? X here is negative. How about y? Good job. That's negative also. Now, let's proceed to quadrant 4. How will you describe x in quadrant 4? That's correct since it's at the right, so it's positive. And how about y? That's good. That's negative. So, if you know these signs, then you will know in which quadrant the point is located. Now, let us know to which quadrant the ordered pair negative 3, 4 is located. Let us first examine the x-coordinate. Our x-coordinate here is negative 3. Since it is negative 3, that means it is 3 units to the left. So from the origin, 3 units to the left. Since it's to the left, that means this point might belong to quadrant 2 or quadrant 3. Now, let us examine the y-coordinate. The y-coordinate is 4 or positive 4. Since it is positive 4, then it is 4 units up. And we can find it in the second quadrant. That means negative 3, 4 is located in quadrant number 2. Now, looking at the signs of our ordered pairs, we have negative, positive. And negative, positive is really in quadrant 2. How about the ordered pair 2, negative 5? So, looking at the signs, we have positive, negative. So, where can we find here positive, negative? That is in quadrant 4. That's correct. Now, let us see if we plot these points. So, since the x-coordinate is positive, so from the origin, we will go to the right. And then, the y-coordinate is negative. That means we will go down. And that will land in quadrant number 4. How about the point 4, 1? That's the easiest, isn't it? Because both of them are positive, then we know that this point is located in quadrant 1. So we go 4 units to the right and then 1 unit up. That will be in quadrant 1. How about negative 6, negative 2? Both of them are negative, and we know that if both coordinates are negative, then that is located in quadrant 3. Now, let us see where negative 7, 3 is located. negative 7, that's to the left of the origin, and then positive 3, that's going up. So to the left and then up. That means it is in quadrant 2. And as you can see, the signs are negative, positive. How about 8, 8? Very good. We can find 8, 8 in quadrant 1 since both of them are positive. And 1, negative 1, we have positive, negative, or move to the right and then down. Positive, negative, move to the right, go down. That is quadrant number 4. Now we will determine the axis to which each point is a reflection of the other. So we have negative 1, 3 and 1, 3. To know this, you have to see which coordinates are the same. So look at our x-coordinates first. The x-coordinate here is negative 1. The x-coordinate in the second point is 1. So they are different. The y-coordinate here is 3. And the y-coordinate in the other point is 3 also. So the y-coordinates are the same. That means these 2 points are reflections of each other across the y-axis. How about 4, 4 and 4, negative 4? Which coordinates are the same? That's right. The x-coordinates are the same. That means these points are reflections of each other across the x-axis. How about the third example? We have 2, negative 9 and 2, 9. Which coordinates are the same? Is it the x or the y? The x-coordinates are the same. That means these 2 points are reflections of each other across the x-axis. How about 8, 1 and negative 8, 1? Which coordinates are the same? The y-coordinates. Therefore, they are reflections of each other across the y-axis. Do you have any questions? It's not that difficult, am I right? Now it's your turn to answer. Pause the video here and answer page 185, numbers 11 to 20. Here are the correct answers. Can you check your answers if you have the same? How was it? Is it good? Or you need more practice? That's all right. We can practice more. And then if you have questions, you can always approach me in school. So that's it for today's lesson. But before we end our video for today, please be informed that you don't have to submit your homework in Class Dojo anymore. You can just submit it in class during your respective schedules. Thank you and see you. Bye!